Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is the 26th of January 2020, your trusted source of news according to the price chart. I'm going to give you all an update on Bitcoin Cash real quick, but before I get started in that, definitely want to remind each and every one of you, if this is your first time watching our videos and you see how simple it is to forecast price movement, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, then follow us on other social media platforms, specifically Facebook, because that is going to be the location, the depository of which we will place the outcome of our price forecast from our own website, HueFinancial.com. Now, if you want to become a part of our membership of our website to get an inside look as to what we're forecasting, definitely go there and sign up. So, Bitcoin Cash. Last time we did our video on Bitcoin Cash, I'm going to bring it down a little bit closer. It was right here on the 30th of December 2019. And you can clearly see that the expectation in our forecast was to move higher. And our main focus was right there at $220 because that was the prior area of resistance in the background. Right here on the 3rd of January 2020 is when the market broke above it and it closed above that resistance area. That was your indication and your clue that the market was stronger than that resistance area of $220. So you could have gotten you could have gotten 6.23% out that particular video. And look, it only took 4 days for that profit to be realized. If you're still in the market right now from our video on the 30th of December and you got out today, you'll be up 60.33%. So there you are. Very simple to see and understand. Now the question is, where's Bitcoin Cash going to go in the future? So let's go ahead and get rid of this and talk about that. So we are seeing a pretty good day today in the market in Bitcoin Cash. We have created that $310 location as being support. The market has came and held that, but preferably I could see $300 being support as well. So for the long-term purview in Bitcoin Cash, $300 is that support area going forward. As long as Bitcoin Cash trades above that number, it will maintain consolidation and movement higher. Looking at Bitcoin Cash on a weekly perspective, you can see here that we did get an influx of volume last week, and this week is no different. But we can tell based off support that the market in Bitcoin Cash likes $300. So we can utilize this in the long term to substantiate that $300 going forward needs to be maintained. Now looking at Bitcoin Cash on the hourly time frame, the last couple of 4-hour price bars is what is causing Bitcoin Cash to show us that the movement higher is still in play. Okay, the 4-hour chart looks real good. We have came and held support right there at 310, and then we also broke above resistance of $320. But we have a lot of congestion right here in the background that this market in Bitcoin will have to go through in order to see higher prices than what occurred on this particular 4-hour bar. Okay. Looking at Bitcoin Cash on the 3-hour time frame, again, I'm still seeing indications of strength, and actually I might have played this on the hourly time frame because the weekly time frame is giving us a probable precursor of strength, which simply means that this upcoming work week, the market in Bitcoin Cash will definitely have to close above the close from this current weekly price bar, because if it doesn't, then the market is still giving us a lot of weakness that we have to address. Daily time frame, we're looking real good to at least play the market from an hourly perspective to continue to see higher price. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to play the market in Bitcoin Cash to move higher, but we're going to play on a very small time frame, a 3-hour time frame, to substantiate that yes, the market is not all that strong based off a weekly chart. So we're going to play this on the 3-hour time frame. So we're going to hold the market for support right here around $318.35. Definitely we have two cushions to allow the market in Bitcoin Cash to move lower, 330 and then ultimately $320. Okay, now TP is going to be very close to where we are already at $340. So it'll be about another 2% market movement higher in price in Bitcoin Cash. But again, I could take it around 350, a little bit shorter than 350 for market to try to hit that resistance area. So we got TP right there around $340, $339, give or take, which will grant this forecast about 2.25% movement higher. And then ultimately we might hit that 350 if we conclude, which I'm going to show you right now on the daily time frame. If the market in Bitcoin Cash concludes this daily price bar at the high, then definitely the movement to around 350 is in purview. Okay, so this is it. I mean, I'm looking for the market in Bitcoin Cash to move higher, playing it on the 3-hour time frame. And we got TP in the market in Bitcoin Cash. Let me see, right there at $340. Okay. But even though from a daily perspective, I am seeing it going a little bit higher than that. So again, very simple to see, easy to understand in our speech and our lingo. Confusion, complexity in price charts and technical analysis is simply the individual giving control. You're giving your power and control over them because they understand that you don't understand what they're saying. So that's why we're here to give you a cleaner perspective, a cleaner price chart to make sure that you're not confused. So make sure you always maintain that profitability. And again, follow us on our website, HueFinancial.com, and then on Facebook and on Twitter. Make sure you always maintain that profitability. I'll see you all on the next one.